Hello and good morning, dear children. Welcome to our computer class. Children, as you know, we are studying our chapter number 7, Working with Paint. In this chapter, today we are going to start the topic using Select tool. So let's start Select tool. Now, children, you can see on the screen, Paint window is given. In this window, where is Select tool? Yes, select tool is here. This is called select tool. Its name is written. Yes, it is available in the image group of paint window. Now, what is the use of this tool? Let's see. Select tool is used to select any part of the picture that we want to change. As its name, select tool is used to select any part of picture. It can select any regular or irregular part of the drawn picture. After selection, we can cut, copy or paste that picture at any other place. Okay, and also remove that part of the picture which is selected. So this is the main tool of the selection tool. Now let's see the parts of selection tool. You can see on this screen there are two parts of selection tool. When you click on the select tool, it will show us two selection tools: rectangular selection and freeform selection. First is rectangular selection. So as its name, it is used to select the picture in rectangular shape. It means when we click and drag our mouse, the selection area will only be rectangular shape. We can select the part of picture in only rectangular shape. Okay. Now second one is free-form selection. This tool is used to select any irregularly shaped part of the picture. It means we can select any part of the picture where we are moving the mouse pointer, that part of the picture will be selected. Okay, it is also called freehand selection tool. Okay, so children, let's see how can we use this selection tool in paint program.
So children, this is my computer screen and today we are going to learn selection tools in paint. So let's first start our paint program. For starting paint program, we have to first click on the start button. Here it is, start button. So click on this. In this we have to choose all programs. Click on this. Now in this we have to find accessories folder. Where is accessories? Yes, it is here. So click on this. Now in this find paint. Where is the paint option? Yes, here it is, paint. Click on this. It will open our paint. This is our paint window. So this selection tool is given on page number 66 in your computer textbook. So for that, first let's draw something. Let's draw a smiley face of Mickey Mouse. So let's draw it. First you have to take the circle, means oval tool. So click on this. Here our border is already thick. Okay, it's very good. Let's make it thin. Click on this. So now come on the stage and click and drag your mouse slowly. You can see you have to make one perfect circle. So you can see now this is our perfect circle. So release your mouse, click. Okay, now we don't have to change in this. Okay, nothing to change. So click outside of the circle. It will complete. Now next we have to draw ears. So again click on oval shape and on the left side click and drag your mouse from here, and when it touch the boundary of the circle then release your mouse, click. Now let's go to right side and from here click and drag your mouse. Yes, when it touch to the border of the circle then release your mouse, click. Okay, so this is 2 ears of Mickey Mouse. Now we have to draw the eyes of Mickey Mouse. So again we have to take oval shape, come inside the circle and left side draw the oval like this. Yes, this is, and the right eye. So click and drag your mouse and draw the oval like this. So this is 2 eyes of Mickey Mouse. Now we have to draw one more small oval inside the eye. So click on oval and go inside the eye and start from here and draw small circle inside. When it touch to the boundary of the oval, then release your mouse click. In right eye only, just click and drag it from here, and when it touches to the boundary of the oval, you have to release your mouse click. And if it is small na, so let's drag it from here and make it big. You can see now it is big. Okay, done. Click outside. So this is eyes of the Mickey Mouse. Now we have to draw the nose of the Mickey Mouse. For that, again we have to take oval shape. Click on this and come here and just drag your mouse. Click and drag and draw horizontal oval here like this. This is horizontal oval. Now click outside. This is the nose of the Mickey Mouse. Now we have to draw small circle inside the nose, very small, like this. You can see here, like this, very small circle, this. Okay, so now we have to take draw the hair, means hair of the Mickey Mouse. For that we can take the pencil tool. This is our pencil tool, and start drawing from here and take curve from here, which is given in your textbook, like this. My drawing is very bad, that's why it happens like this. Okay, so this way you can draw the hair. And now last is smile of the Mickey Mouse. For that we can take this curved line. So click on this and press shift key from the keyboard and click and drag your mouse from here like this. Press shift key, then and only then you can draw the straight line. Okay, let's draw again. Shift key from the keyboard, press it, don't release it when you're release only when you're drawing it finished. Now click. Let's draw another curved line below this, slide big and click here. This is our line, curved line. Now you have to make it curved by stretching it from outside here. You can stretch it from outside. Wait, let's click on curved line and press shift key from the keyboard and draw it. Now you can drag it from the down like this. You click on the down, it will stretch downside and make curve. Let's draw another. For this we have to press shift key from the keyboard and draw slide big line from the above and release your mouse click and click below it. Now let's take it above like this. Okay, now it is selected. Now let's take it above. You can use mouse arrow keys from the keyboard to move the shape when it is selected. So this way we can draw the smile of the Mickey Mouse. This is the smile of Mickey Mouse. Yes, so now let's fill color inside it. So let's, our black color is only selected, so let's take fill with color tool. This, click on this and here hair is black, so click inside the hair. Eye is also black, so this eye, click inside the eyes. Now completed. Now let's fill orange color in the face, so click on this orange color and take fill with color tool and click inside the face. This is face, click inside the ears also, and we have to also fill black color in nose. So click on black color and take fill with color tool and go inside the nose, and you have to exactly go inside the nose and click. You can see our nose is made. Now this is our Mickey Mouse ready. Now let's learn selection tools. Selection tools are available in the image group here. This is select tool. By clicking on this down arrow, you can see the options rectangular selection and freeform selection. First, let's take rectangular selection. So click on this rectangular selection and come on this stage. We have to crop the nose of the Mickey Mouse. So come here and click and drag your mouse. You can see one rectangle is drawing of blue dash line, this. Okay, now release your mouse click. This part is selected. Okay, so now this part is selected, and then here you can see the rectangular part is selected. Now let's cut this nose from here. So for that, click on this cut option. Cut, you can see nose is cut. Now where you are now, let's click on this paste option to paste this nose. This is left top corner, so click here and choose paste option. You can see nose is came here. So this way you can select any part of the Mickey Mouse, or you can crop it or drag it to another place. Now let's see another selection tool, which is freeform selection. So click on this freeform selection. Using this, we have already seen we can select any part of the random part of the picture. Okay, so I want to select only this eye of the mouse. So I am selecting eye of the mouse like this. From starting from here, I am dragging my mouse on the edges, means border of the eyes, and you can see when my mouse is moving, where my mouse is moving, only that part is going select. Now you can see when my border make na blue color border, that part only selected. It will show us rectangle, but that part only selected. Now let's cut it. So click on cut, and you can see this is freeform selection and this is rectangular selection. Rectangular selection, select the part in rectangular shape, and the freeform selection, select the part of the picture where you drag your mouse pointer. Okay, so now let's paste it. So click on this paste option. You can see eye is pasted here. This is our eye. Where our mouse is moving, that part only select by freeform selection. So this is the use of selection tool, rectangular selection and freeform selection. Now you can easily understand the difference between rectangular selection and freeform selection. Now student, this much study for today. In next class we will go further in this chapter. Till then, goodbye. Thank you.